Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this nail art kit. Let's go ahead and get right into this and I'll show you exactly what it is. So this is everything that comes in it. It shows you how to use the products themselves, which is really nice. So it has how to use the gel, the color gel nail polish, or the gel paint, depending on what exactly you want to use. It comes with this, so it has like little tinsel and stuff. Let me go ahead and show you everything that's in here. I love that the box it looks like a present, so this is a really good gift idea. It has nail file, which actually has a really good like heavy duty grip. This one's a more lighter duty grip just to polish them up. It has nail oil right here, which is really nice. It has gold and silver like nail ribbon, which is really nice. Glitter, and look how stinking pretty that glitter is. They have pink, and then this is like a blue. So very pretty. They actually come with some nail forms if you want to do that. It comes with a nail brush, which is for the gel that you could put on, which is nice. I like to keep these things over it just so that it doesn't mess up the brush. A cuticle pusher down. This is like heavy duty, and then it has the scraper to really scrape stuff out. That's actually a really nice one. Some slanted tweezers for like applying your jewels. It comes with all these beautiful jewels. It looks like mermaids, like pearls, and just iridescent kind of looking different types of pearls. It comes with some toe separators, which Lord knows I need these. I always get yelled at when I go get my nails professionally done because my second toe crosses over my big toe, and the ladies yell at me, "You messed up the nail." And I'm like, I'm sorry, like you have to put those, like you can see that my toes cross, like you have to put those separators. That's not my fault. It also has a cuticle little cutter, which is nice. I just got off that hangnail. Not hangnail, it was some hang skin. So very nice. And then it comes with a little set of tweezers. So pretty much everything that you need to prep your nails and some jewels to put on your nails, which is really nice. It also comes with this brush right here for just dusting off your nails after done filing it. And look how cute that brush is. I love the little diamonds on it. Super cute. And then you have your nail polishes. Now these are like all nude colors because it says nudes 006, nude 005, nude 004, 3, and it's 00s, 2 and 1. So let's go ahead and see what these actually look like. I've always wanted to try these. I've seen a lot of like TikToks and stuff on them, but never have actually got to try them. Ooh, look at that color. This is 006. Ooh, this is 005, which is a really beautiful nude. And everything is by this brand right here. You can see, in case you're wondering. Let's see what this color is. Purple color. Really pretty. This one's like more like a creamy purple. Ooh, I really like that. That's like a true like a nude shade. This color is gonna look really pretty. Ooh, and then I have this color right here. That's the last one on the colors. So all very pretty. So those are the gel the gel paint. And I'm really excited to use that. I'm gonna have to wait till I get my install my nail extensions to use that. And then you have this right here. So this will actually screw onto this, and it is a brush cleanser for the gel polish, so that you get your brush nice and clean, which is nice. It also comes with a top coat soak off gel polish. This is a matte top coat. So they have a matte top coat and then a just regular top coat, and then you have your base coat. So you want to apply this, apply whatever nail one you want, and then do that. This is soak off hard no wash top coat. So this is a top coat as well that's in a gel form for the gel polishes. So what you want to do is you want to apply the base coat, which is this right here, cure it underneath the light. Then you're going to add this right here, whatever color you want, cure it, and then you'll add another color, cure it. And then if you want to add any designs or anything, you can go ahead and put it on top of that, and then you're going to put your top coat. Now, you can do a soak-off top coat or a regular matte or just regular top coat, depending on what exactly you want to use. So I will be doing my nails probably Sunday maybe, and then I'll post a clip of what they look like. Maybe I can do like a fast clip of me actually applying them. So I'll actually be applying that in the video so you can kind of see how they work. Okay, so that is how my nails turned out. I absolutely love them. So for this color, I use this one right here, which is 006. And then for the rest of the nails, I use this color right here, and that is 005. And then I use the glitter. I just dip the tip of my nails in it after I put that, and then put the top coat on. I use the the base coat before I put on these, and then after I apply the nail polish, I use the top coat. So base coat and then top coat. And I also use these jewels on this nail right here. And I just use the tweezers that it came with to pick them up. And then I use some super glue to glue them onto my nails. So they're very pretty. This is the other hand. I love the way they turned out. Absolutely beautiful. So not bad. I'm not a professional. This is just me doing my nails at home. But this is a really good kit. It comes with everything that you need. The only thing that it didn't come with was the light, and I just used this. I did like nails individually with that one, but you can use whatever light you have. But yes, I love it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.